and bees, look at the new OTC motorcycle catalog. Man, there's some cool parts in here. Pretty jacked up about it. Now the first one I'm going to show you is a little grabber tool. And it's a number 4783. So not only does it do that, but it's got a handy magnet on the front. These guys are pretty crafty, aren't they? Now what I'm holding up here, this is a driller for drilling safety wire. So we put your nut inside of there, cinch it down with the shoulder Allen, then you flip it over and you drill like a 1/16 inch hole through the nut, and then you can safety wire things like if you're racing, I know you got to do your oil pan and I think your front axle nut, if I remember correctly. Same thing with bolts. You can put, these are standard and metric. You put in your bolt and you can go into that hole right there, put this in your drill press or just your vise. Drill a 1/16 hole for stainless safety wire, so that's pretty cool. Little mini screwdrivers. Those are handy, both Phillips and flat. Now this, you seen those before? Contour gauge. So let's say you need to make a pattern of just about anything. You do that, and you can take your cardboard, lay it down, trace it. That's real nice. That's the 4784, if you didn't catch that one. This is a nice little array of hones. Let's see, I think there are 10 of them. Yes, 10 hones. So, you know, if you have fork tubes or cylinders, you need to put the crosshatch pattern in. Bushings, like say for a rear swing arm or something like that. Anything you need to clean, that's a nice handy little kit. If you're like me and you ride customs, you're always wrenching on something. So they have a little travel kit, quarter drive, so you can have a little pouch, because sometimes you buy a bike and they're MIA. So that's kind of a cool little deal. And last, oops, 2 more. Now everybody needs a cool little magnet and mirror set. It's inevitable, you know, you drop a nut down into the car and you gotta go in and retrieve it. So man, look at how strong that thing is. That's awesome. So that's a handy little guy. And then last but not least, the pry bar set. So these are nylon. So say you want to remove an emblem, you need to push something around, move wires around. It'll keep you from ruining painted and polished surfaces. So that's a pretty cool kit. So they have a lot of neat little tools. Be sure you check them out at OTC's website.